Welcome to CodeChef. Today we are going to learn about deleting a node at any position in a linked list. A linked list is a linear data structure where each node points to the next one. In this video, we'll learn how to delete a node at any position. Let's take an example. Deleting the node with value 2 from this linked list. To delete a node, we must adjust the pointers so that the previous node points to the node after the target. Here, node 1 should now point to node 3, effectively removing node 2 from the chain. Now, node 1 points to node 3, and node 2 is removed. The linked list is successfully updated. Now, let's break down the code implementation for this process. First, we check if the head node itself is the target. If yes, we simply move the head pointer to the next node and delete the old head. If the target node is not the head, we traverse the linked list using a while loop, searching for the node to delete. Once we find the target node, we adjust the previous node's pointer to skip over it, effectively removing it from the list. And that's how we delete a node at any position in a linked list. By correctly adjusting the pointers, we maintain the integrity of the list. Here is the final linked list after the deletion process.